In 2020, the rules changed. Businesses shuttered their doors, the public remained in their homes, and the new guidelines became the new normal. Even as the vaccine rollout continues and countries are getting ready to reopen, some problems still remain. In some industries, such as manufacturing, social distancing can be difficult. Lots of employees are still catching the coronavirus at work. We are developing a solution to the currently limited test and trace system, developing a new device that can effectively manage employee interactions. Test and trace applications are good, but ensuring employees remain distanced at all times will reduce further risk to them and the company, even if there is unknown cases of COVID-19.
Our new social distancing device aims to be small and compact, like an ID badge. The purpose is to detect distancing between employees and log breaches of social distancing in the workplace. It will allow for an early warning for employees on their risks in the workplace and aid management in distributing said employees. The device will utilise Bluetooth technology to detect positional data relative to other colleagues. This will then be sent to an online database which can be managed via a web interface. In person, meanwhile, LEDs and audible warnings will alert the user of any personal breaches.
By further reducing the contact between employees, this device can lower the risk in the workplace and make people feel safer at work. By virtue of this, potential customers can feel safer around them too. As for the employer, this will allow them to effectively manage and deploy their employees throughout the workplace without the need to worry about large and sudden outbreaks. More people are being moved back into workplace every day, and this is our plan to make the transition as smooth and as safe as possible.
As well as improving colleague health, it will give employers greater confidence in the containment of COVID in the workplace, even in work environments with tight spacing. If a case is detected, the likelihood of other colleagues testing positive is greatly reduced. A secondary benefit of this is the productivity increase that workers will feel, as they will be less stressed about the risk of contracting the virus and can thus place more focus into their usual goals and standards at work, giving everyone on the team a healthier feeling of pre-COVID life and protecting workers' families when they return home from work each day, especially in countries with slower vaccine rollouts. The device will help to protect workers and get businesses moving again.
So, how confident are we in developing our product? Well, as it stands, we're confident. We will be using Raspberry Pi devices to construct the initial prototypes. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both built in seats already, and speakers and LEDs are simple to connect. We'll use known working formulas to calculate the distance between Bluetooth devices, using the Relative Signal Strength Indicator, also known as RSSI. Our team has experience of using Python to program the physical device. Additionally, our HTML and CSS experience will be used to develop the front end of the website, while PHP and SQL will be used to develop the database backend. We believe this project is relevant to the current world climate and is within our capabilities to make, and therefore we're looking forward to creating it in the future.